Hello friends, today we will learn how to make multiplication table in Excel. So as you can see here, this is a table of multiplication table like 1 1 1, 1 2 2, 1 3 3, like you can see here 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6. So let's begin. चलो तो हम शुरू करते हैं. So we open a new sheet. So first of all we input two numbers in two different cells and we need to multiply these two numbers. हम इनको गुना करना है. So we use a function called product. हमें product function को use करना है. Open bracket and we need to select both this number and we close bracket and enter. So below this we have to write numbers like 2, 3, 4 and we select both this number and we autofill series. We want to make till 10, so we select till 10. हमें 10 तक बनाना है तो हमें 10 तक इस autofill करेंगे. उसके बाद यहाँ पे भी हमें number enter करना है like 2, 3. We need to enter numbers here. We select both this number and we can autofill this number. We want to make till 10, so we autofill till 10 and we need to select all these cells till here and we go to data and click what if analysis and click data table. The first one is row input cell, so we click the first number and we have to bring our cursor here. हमें cursor को यहाँ पे रखना है. उसके बाद हमें column input cell, we have to select the next number and click OK. This is how multiplication table is created in Excel. तो इस तरह से एक टेबल हम बना सकते हैं in Excel बहुत आसानी से. That's all for today. Thank you so much.